The core issue is clear. The Trump administration is demanding a massive $1 billion from UCLA to supposedly restore federal funding, an action that's stirring controversy and raising questions about the boundaries of political influence over academic institutions. But here's where it gets controversial. This dispute isn't just about money. It touches on civil rights, free speech, and the extent of government oversight into university affairs. Recently, the administration took a confrontational stance by withholding $584 million in federal grants from UCLA. These funds are vital for research across agencies like the National Science Foundation, the National Institutes of Health, and the Department of Energy. UCLA's Chancellor Julio Frenk openly communicated this development to staff and students, emphasizing the uncertainty and impact of such financial suspensions. Adding fuel to the fire, the Department of Justice announced that its Civil Rights Division had concluded UCLA's response to protests on campus earlier this year was insufficient, especially regarding the treatment of Jewish and Israeli students. The department's investigation found that UCLA responded in a way that fostered a hostile environment, which violates federal anti-discrimination laws. The Attorney General declared that this breach of civil rights cannot be tolerated, promising that UCLA would face serious repercussions for allegedly putting Jewish Americans at risk. This situation is unprecedented because UCLA is the first public university targeted by the federal government over allegations of civil rights violations connected to anti-Semitism and how it handles issues of affirmative action. Meanwhile, other private colleges have faced similar federal funding freezes over comparable concerns, illustrating a broader pattern of increasing federal scrutiny. In response, James B. Milliken, the new president of the University of California system, overseeing several campuses, health centers, and national labs, acknowledged receiving the DOJ's notice. He stressed the importance of open dialogue and warned that a penalty of this magnitude could cripple the university system, which plays a crucial role in advancing technology, healthcare, and national security. Recently, UCLA settled a separate legal case by paying $6 million to 3 Jewish students and a Jewish professor who sued the university. They claimed that campus protests allowed pro-Palestinian activists to intrude upon their rights, blocking access to classes and campus facilities. UCLA maintains it is committed to ensuring safety and promoting inclusivity, pledging to follow through on recommendations to improve campus dynamics. And this is the part most people miss. The debate isn't just about one university or one set of allegations. It's about the broader conflict over free speech, how universities handle protests, and the reach of federal civil rights enforcement into academia. It sparks a provocative question. Should government influence over universities be expanded? Or does it threaten academic independence? What's your take? Are these federal actions justified or an overreach? Should protests and activism ever come at the cost of civil rights protections? Let's discuss.